Beware of a false low reading when performing a chlorine test. When using the NN-diethyl-P phenylene diamine, more commonly known as DPD method, and the chlorine residual is high enough, usually over 10 parts per million, the DPD reagents may partially or totally bleach out, resulting in a false low or zero chlorine reading. When you know there should be more chlorine in the water than your first test indicates, ascertain bleach out is occurring by retesting using an increased amount of indicator. Rinse and fill the small comparator tube to the 9 ml mark with the water to be tested. Add 10 drops of reagent 1 and 10 drops of reagent 2. Cap and invert to mix. High chlorine should give a reading higher than the original reading. Second, rinse out the test cell. Add 10 drops each of DPD number 1 and number 2. Then add a few drops of the water to be tested. If you see pink, the chlorine is too high. When you have proven high chlorine is interfering, then proceed to retest, but follow the instructions for off-scale color. You will need to perform a dilution to eliminate bleach out. To eliminate bleach out when performing a DPD chlorine test on superchlorinated water, dilute the sample and retest. Rinse and fill the small comparator tube to the 4.5 ml mark with the water to be tested. And then add chlorine-free tap water up to the 9 ml mark. This is known as a 1-to-1 dilution because you have an equal parts of chlorinated and unchlorinated water in the test tube. Add 5 drops of reagent 1 and 5 drops of reagent 2. Cap and invert to mix. Match the color with the color standard. Multiply the reading by 2 to obtain an approximate sanitizer level. Record the result as parts per million free chlorine. If the developed color is still off scale, repeat the test with a 1.8 ml sample diluted to the 9 ml mark with chlorine-free tap water. Multiply the reading by 5 to obtain an approximate free chlorine level. Color matching should be conducted outdoors in natural northern light or indoors with the aid of a daylight simulator lamp.
Taylor's knowledgeable customer service representatives are available to provide technical assistance about our products. Call 800-TEST-KIT